How to upgrade to Premium in Reelshot. Ready to unlock all the premium features in Reelshot? This guide shows you how to upgrade to premium quality and start creating videos without the watermark. First, open the Reelshot app. Look for the Upgrade or Pro button. It's often on the main menu screen, or you can find it in the app settings menu, which is usually a gear icon. Tapping on the button will take you to the premium page. Here you can see all the benefits, including no watermarks, all filters and more. Choose the subscription plan that works best for you, like a monthly or yearly plan. Once you've selected your plan, confirm the purchase through a device's app store. This is usually done with Face ID, Touch ID, or your account password, just like this. Once the purchase is confirmed, your subscription will be active immediately, and all the premium features will be unlocked. You've successfully upgraded to Premium. Now go make some amazing videos. Like and subscribe for more app tutorials.